Welcome again to VBDX Medical after a considerable break. Now, I haven't been entirely idle and I've created a basic document management system. The average general practice can generate a lot of paper and you need to store that somewhere, and that place is within the patient records, not within the database but as separate files in a directory. Otherwise you're going to run out of room in your database. What we have here is our main medical records screen. There is a Documents tab. Within that document there are various entries in the database which link to files in our document store. By right-clicking on Open Document, it opens the scanned document within the underlying program. Now that looks pretty basic, so what we've added is a few little things. We can search for items, so if we wanted only x-rays, we can type in x-ray and it will link only to x-rays. If we want only letters, we can search on letters and we'll find only letters. We can also show thumbnails for items. So a thumbnail is now added to each of the entries so you can get a quick look at what is going on. It's possible to hide the thumbnails so you see more information, show the thumbnails. You can edit the description. It's easy enough. If needed, you can delete a document from a patient's file. We won't do that. We can hide the Find panel. We can go to our Scan Documents screen and load documents directly into the medical record. We can also add a file, any file, and the file can be anything, anywhere. It copies it to our Documents directory. In this case we shall copy a picture of the desert. When we reopen our records form, go to Documents, show thumbnails, and that desert document will now be within the database. And of course this could be patient images, pictures, anything clinical. It's also possible to store videos within the document management store. In this case I've stored, I'm sure you'll all recognize this one, a video which is within the medical records for this person. Now, as a bonus, there's also an alternate view. Now this is again part of the XtraGrid, and you can show just individual things. It's possible to filter just on specific items. We can clear the filter. We can sort by date. We can filter by specific dates. It's pretty versatile in the way it searches, and just for a minor gee whiz, we can also have a carousel of documents. It's just a bit fun to do. As well as this, you can customize the view, and again I didn't write any code for this, it just is part of the XtraGrid, so we can enlarge the thumbnails and slide through them. And when you finish of the pretty pictures, we can go back to the main view, which shows a lot of information but in a less attractive and friendly manner. Well, that is the document management system. It's taken a week or so to put together. I've also uploaded the database files that I use and the latest copy of VBDX Medical, also called GSDX Medical. I don't know what to call it. And you can fool around with the files yourself. Thank you.